Hello, good day viewers. Welcome back to my channel with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So here's the next question on the board, question 15. We are told that the population of a town increases by 2% every year. After 2 years, the population is 83,232. Calculate correct to the nearest thousand the original population. So this is a kind of a word problem, okay, because we don't know the original population. So we can simply do something, solution. We can say that let the original population be equals to what? X. That's the first case because we don't know the original population. So let's go back to the question again. The population of a town increases by 2% every year. That means for 1 year, for a year, for 1 year, the population is 1 plus increases. That's why we're having plus there. 2%. This is for 1 year. For another 1 year, the population is 1 plus 2%. Do you know why I did this? Because we are told that after 2 years, so we are only meant to take just 2 years. 1 year and another 1 year. That makes 2. So if I solve these two further, of course, these two will give me 1 plus 2 over 100, right? Which is 2%. 2% means 2 over 100. So here I will have what? 1 plus 0.02. Can you see that? Then for the second year too, I also have what? 1 plus 0.02. That's what I have. So for the first year, I have 1 plus 0.02, which is this, and this also this. So I can now bring the two of them together. The first one will give us 1.02. The other one will also give us 1.02. I believe it is clear. So if you multiply this together, let's do that in calculator to make our work easier. Times 1.02, that will give us 1.0404. So this is the result we got after 2 years. You know, we have said that let the original population be X. So after 2 years, we got this result. So you can now say that since the original population is equals to X, we can now say that X multiplied by 1.040, then they say the population is what? 83,232. So 83,232. Can you see that? So I can divide both sides by what? 1.0404. 1.0404, which is this eliminate this out, right? So the value of X will now be equals to, let's evaluate this also in calculator. 83,232 divided by answer 83,232 divided by 1.0404. So what I have here, I have 80,000. So 80,000 is the original population. So the correct answer is option A. So something came to my mind now, okay? Instead of going through this stress of let this be this, let that be this, why can't we just apply a simple formula to this to solve it? I think we should do that, okay? So that it will help you. This is our final answer, but let's look at another way we can solve the problem. So I will just need to do something, please. How do I do this? 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 Okay, let me just simply, because I don't need this, correct to the nearest thousand. I don't need these ones from year to year. I don't need it because my board is too small. It's too small. So I don't need this side. I don't need this side. So let me just manage that side to solve the problem using a formula for it. So now I will just manage this space, please, to solve the problem. So, or now let the population of a town increases by 2%. That's our rate. How do we call it? Rate at which it increases. That's rate is 2%, which is same thing as 0.02, right? You write it down. Every year, after 2 years, that's the number of your time. 2 years. Okay? After 2 years, the population is this. That means that you're given the final population. Final population was given to be 83,232. So what we are looking for is the original population, right? We don't know it. So we can just simply say that original population is I'm actually managing the space. We have already gotten our answer. I just want to apply this formula. Is equals to, let me just use FP. So FP means final population. Hope is clear. Then all over 1 plus the rate, which is this R here. Then all raised to power what? I think this formula should work for it. Yeah, it should work for it. So let us fix in our value now. I will need enough space, so please let me just use this. So if I put my final population is 83,000, you want to tell if you are going to get the same answer. All over 1 plus the rate is 0.02. All raised to power the number of it, which is 2. So let me just press it directly in calculator and let me see what I have. I have 83,232. Okay, let me do it one after the other. This is 83,232, so that you guys will see what I'm doing clearly. So let me just punch this one directly in calculator, okay? 1 plus 0.02 all raised to power of 2. So I have 1.0404. So if you divide this also in calculator, let me do that. 232 divided by 1.0404. So I still have the same thing, 80,000. So that's it. So you see, when you are solving problem in mathematics, there are a lot of ways you can solve the problem. Okay, you just need for you to have what we call logical reasoning, how you can tackle it. Actually I didn't see this in anywhere. You understand? So I just have to like, okay, since I divide this value by this, why can't I just get my formula like? And that formula is actually looking like, when you talk of a future value, no, yes, actually looking, but it's not future value formula, but it's looking like that. So you can just use that. All right, so that will mark the end of today's lesson. Please, if you have any question, you can do them in the comment section. Don't forget to like my video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel to receive any update from this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.